Hello and welcome to Big Money Pyramid. Hey, it's Jeff with Your Learning Career. I wanted to show you my full game version of this $100,000 pyramid style game. This is really fun. I just wanted to show you real quick how it works. So basically, you've got this set up and you've got your two teams. You know, traditionally you play with two teams. And when I press the space bar, it's going to give me these different categories. They're just some, fun categories like what you would see on the show. And then whichever team is going first would pick one. So let's say they pick, I'm not married to this. I click on that. And it's less than romantic things that are often part of a wedding. And so now you're going to have a guesser and you're going to have a clue giver. So of course you're going to want to have the guesser face away from the screen so that they cannot see the clues. And then if I click on this, it's a 30-second timer. That's going to count down, and then I'm going to go to my clues. And so this one's uncle. So now the clue giver has to try to get the guesser to guess uncle. And once they do, they move to the next clue. And so on and so on. And you can, I'll let this timer run out. There we go. You get a nice little buzzer. But if they're struggling, they can click pass, so they won't get points for that. But basically, they get up to 7 clues. The goal is to get 7 of them in the 30-second timeline. And then once the time is up, we go back to the pyramid and we see that one is now covered because we've done that first category. And then I'm going to give team one, however many points, whether it's 2, 3, 4, however they ended up doing. And then we switch over to the other team and they're going to pick a category and it's going to work the same way. There are 3 rounds in this. So you can, however you want to play it, you can play all 3 rounds, or you can just play 1 round each session, however you want to do it. But I can go to round 2 like that. I can go to round 3. And, it's going to be all different categories. So you got lots of categories to play with there. And then you also have, and by the way, the points do carry over from round to round. And then if you want to do a winner's circle style round, then you can click on bonus round and the winning team gets to play this and they have 1 minute. In this one, the clue giver is trying to get the guesser to guess the category. So again, when this gets revealed, the guesser needs to be turned around because then the clue giver is going to start saying things like octopus, chair, and then they have to guess the category. And then this amount at the top is $100,000, but you can make it whatever you want because this is PowerPoint. So of course you can customize that. And by the way, speaking of customization, I'll go out. I mean, you can customize anything. Like if you don't like the category or you don't like the clues, you can certainly go in and update them. But that is how you play Big Money Pyramid. If you want to check it out, I've got a link in the description below that'll take you to where it is in my store, and you can grab it and start playing right away. Just download and play. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.